Alright guys, check it out. 2024 Honda Civic Touring. It's done guys. Finally, we pulled it off. It looks clean, it looks nice, it rides smooth, and it drives awesome. I'm surprised that we pulled this off less than about a month. Doing all the repairs, replacing all the parts, taking the vehicle to the body shop to stretch the frame. This is my first auction wreck vehicle that I purchased. This is the one with the front left damage. Frame was bent and we finally got it done. So let's break it down what we put in and how much we spent on this Honda Civic. So if you're not following my channel, we end up getting a second Honda Civic for parts car, value of $11,524. We use every exterior panels, every exterior molding on that parts cars to this vehicle, like the right hand fender, value of $866, left side headlamp, value of $1,600. The hood, value of $1,500. Left side fender, value of $866. Going in on the interior of the vehicle, you can see the dash. We use a parts car to replace the old dash. This dashboard, value of $825, brand new. You can see our steering airbag, brand new. We had to purchase from Honda, $1,300. Driver seat belt, $350. Steering airbag coil or clock spring, $300, brand new from Honda dealer. The touchscreen radio, the cluster, the heater control, we end up using the original one and we never replaced it. Driver side knee airbag, value of $1,000. Passenger side knee airbag, value of $400. The right upper airbag is value of $1,500. Driver side seat belt are blown and locked, value of $350. Same thing on the right side, seat belt tensioner, blow-in, value of $450. We had to get those from Honda dealer. Going in on the back seat, we had to replace the driver's side and passenger side tensioner seat belt. Brand new from Honda dealers, $400 each. We had to take out the back seats to change these seat belts and the panel on the back as well. So when you have a blow-in airbag, especially on the Honda, we had to replace the airbag control module, and it's located in the center of the dash on the floor. Those are like $500, brand new. Okay, on the exterior, on the front, we're gonna open up the hood here. We pretty much didn't do anything on the engine. We just moved the intake tube, the intake cleaner away, because we're gonna have to change the rad support on this one. The bottom side is cracked, so we use a parts vehicle to replace those, value of $750. The lower intercooler for the turbo, that one's cracked on the side, so we had to use a parts car to replace those. Those pretty much it. So taking this car to a certified body shop here in the city, doing the frame damage and body repair. They did a little extra work on the radar camera and heads-up display camera, programming value of $400. The airbag control module, programming $200. Integrity inspection is $750. The mechanical inspection is $160. Wheel alignment, $140. So that's total for everything of $1,500. Plus the body inspection and stretching the frame is another $1,000. So we purchased this vehicle from the beginning for $9,517. That's including buyer's fee, environmental fee, auction fee, and Carfax. So this is how much this Honda Civic owes us. After the dust settle, it owes us $30,500. So that price is pretty much getting a brand new car. So the value of this car on the market is $28,000 up to $35,000. So you can see we're not making money with this if we sell it. Alright, so that's it guys. We're gonna do this again on the next build. We're gonna buy another vehicle on the auction, exact same vehicle, Honda Civic. We have some extra parts that we're gonna use. So on this second build, it's gonna be a good value profited vehicle, because we have all the parts that we need. So that's it. Thank you for watching and subscribe. See you guys again on the next one.